Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth unavailable on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and you are having a problem that which is Bluetooth is unavailable on your phone, so let's see how can you solve it. The first step is that you have to open your phone's settings. In settings, here's the option of airplane mode. You just have to tap on it to enable it. Briefly enable it for 10 or 15 seconds, and after that you just have to turn it off. It will make a quickly refresh to your all network settings, and after that just open Bluetooth, and here you just have to disable it and then enable it again and try it for minimum 3 or 4 times. And if it doesn't work, so go back, go to main settings. In main settings, just look for screen time. Here's that, tab on it. In screen time, you have to look for content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it and look for Bluetooth sharing. Here's that, tab on it. And here you have to tap on allow changes to select it. And after that, here you can see these all will be enabled. And after doing this, just go back and then you just have to turn it off and then briefly turn it on again, and then go to Bluetooth sharing settings, and here you can see these all have access to Bluetooth. After doing this, you just have to go back and then open Bluetooth settings and then try again and again until 4 or 5 times it's maybe it will work. And if it doesn't work, so you have to make a last step, which is make a reset of your network settings. Just go to general settings and then scroll down to end, and here you will get the option of transfer or reset iPhone. You just have to select these settings, and here you can see here's the option of reset. Just tap on it, and here you will get a lot of settings of reset. You just have to select the second one, which is reset network settings. Just tap on it, and here you have to enter your passcode, and here you just have to tap on reset network setting again. It will make a quick reset of your all internet or network settings, in which cellular data and Wi-Fi network will be included. And after doing this, it will make a restart of your phone, and then your problem will be automatically solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth unavailable on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.